Will the Invincible Legion of Unconquerable Vanquishing Gnomes, Local 237, please come to order? Our first order of business, roll call. Magnetheus, the intrepid executioner of orcs of short stature.
Here.
Aphiliastocles, the mighty bringer of doom to small woodland creatures. Phil, you here?
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant the other Aphiliastocles. Here!
Strongbone, the ominous giant toe crusher.
Strongbone is present!
Wimpy J. McWhittle.
Here.
And Paris Mueller. Mueller? Anyone? Well, Mueller seems to be absent. Anyway, let's keep the meeting short by getting to the business at hand. It has come to my attention that our funds seem to be a little short this month. I believe a viable solution would be for us to embark on a short adventure in order to replenish our coffers. Will you knock it off? Being that today is the last day of the month
Of October?
It is the perfect day on which to set out. So, is everyone ready? Did everyone bring their swords? Excellent. Gnomes, charge forth!
For Gnomeregan!
Whoa! Who goes there?
Not us! We went before we left!
We're a group of gnomes off on an adventure.
Oh, I see. How cute. It's a group of trick-or-treaters.
Well, we're not.
I'm surprised your parents let you out on your own. You know, the forest can be dangerous for small children.
No, you don't understand.
And you really should be carrying torches so everyone on the road can see you clearly.
Well, I do think that would reduce some of the element of surprise.
And wearing bright reflective clothing is another excellent way to stay safe on Halloween.
I really don't think...
But of course, I wouldn't be a very good citizen if I sent you off empty-handed. So here are treats for all of you.
But...
That's right, here you go.
Well,
Quiet now. Plenty for everyone.
Wait,
there we are.
Well, but...
Now, have fun, kids, and be safe.
What was that all about? I don't know, but we got free stuff.
Well, what did you get?
I got some light leather. I got a small axe.
Strongbone got a chain vest!
I got a rock.
Ooh, a rough stone?
No, just a rock.
Well, back to the adventure. Gnomes, charge forth!
For Gnomeregan!
Hey, there's a vendor camp.
Gnomes, onward! We shall persevere!
Sir? Strongbone thinks we should stop!
For number... Huh? What are you talking about?
We're low on meat.
And I could use some glass vials. And I could use some coarse thread.
Very well. To the vendor camp!
For no... Oh, sorry.
Good day, madam. You see...
Oh, how wonderful. You're my first trick-or-treaters today. And what are you supposed to be?
I am Procuretheus, the terrible Indominator. Can't you tell by my mighty sword?
Ooh, that sword looks so real. You better be careful with that, young man, or you'll poke an eye out.
But I really don't think that's...
Now, I suppose you're all looking for some treats today.
Well, we are low on meat.
Well, let me see now. Come here, you little farmer. No Thanksgiving for you. There we are. And I can't let the rest of you go away empty-handed now, can I? There's something for you, and for you, and you. Well, happy Halloween, little ones. Goodbye.
She didn't even charge us.
Well, don't worry about it. What did you get?
I got some red dye. I got a small buckler.
Strongbone got a 6-dot bag!
I got a rock.
Ooh, copper ore?
No, just a rock.
Well, back to the adventure. Gnomes, charge forth!
For Gnomeregan!
Gnomes, halt! I believe we may have taken a wrong turn somewhere.
There's a hut up ahead. We could ask for directions.
Very well. Gnomes, to the hut!
For Gnomeregan!
Hello, good sir. You see, we were out adventuring when we...
Hello, man. Who be at my door?
Oh my, we seem to have come upon a troll.
Let me get a good look at you, man.
Does anyone have a town portal?
Well, look at all the little trolls in the cute little baby human costumes. Oh, you all be so scary. Well, come inside. I got something nice for you all.
Anyone have any soul stones?
So, let me see now. I bet you all be hoping for some shrunken heads today, huh? Oh, that will not be ready yet.
Well, actually, sir, we really...
How about a chilled crocolisk brain?
Well, I don't think that...
Aha, I know just the thing for you. How about a sugar cookie?
Well, that might not
With
be...
eyeballs!
Oh, that's really not...
Don't worry, there'll be plenty of Halloween trees to go around. Here'll be a tree for you, and you. There you go, man.
Well, thank you so much, but we really must be going. Well, that was weird. So, what'd you get?
I got a spider leg.
I got a ruined bear carcass.
Strongbone got a totem.
I got a rock.
Ooh, malachite?
No, just a rock.
Well, back to the adventure. Gnomes, charge forth!
For Gnomeregan!
Well, everyone, it's been a little strange, but I believe our adventure has been a success. With all the loot we acquired, we should have more than enough to fill our coffers. Will you knock it off?
A chance to use this freshly sharpened blade.
We're under attack!
For Gnomeregan! Strongbone charge!
I'm losing all the durability in my boots. Time to make my escape.
Oh no, he got too far back.
Whew. That was a close one. I'm home.
Hi, honey. Today I picked up some boar meat and mild spices. What did you get?
I don't know. Well, let's have a look. I got a rock.